Think back to when you turned 18. You got the right to vote, maybe moved out, and suddenly, you were expected to know exactly how to manage money. But let's be honest, did anyone actually teach you? High school taught us how to find the hypotenuse of a triangle, but completely skipped over how to file taxes, build credit, or invest. It's why so many of us end up stressed out, living paycheck to paycheck, feeling like we're playing a game where everyone else got the rulebook except us. Well, today, you're getting the rulebook. Whether you're 18, 25, or 40, these are the 5 foundational money rules that will completely change your financial trajectory. Let's get into it. Rule number 1 is the psychological shift that changes everything. Pay yourself first. Most people handle money like this. They get a paycheck, they pay rent, they buy groceries, they go out with friends, and then they save whatever is left over. The problem? There is never anything left over. Parkinson's law states that our spending will always expand to fill our income. To beat this, you have to flip the script. The moment money hits your account, a set percentage, even if it's just 5% or 10% to start, needs to automatically move into a separate savings or investment account. Treat your future self like a bill that you cannot skip. If you don't see it, you won't spend it. Rule number 2, build your financial firewall. In the money world, we call this an emergency fund. Life loves to throw curveballs. Your car brake pads wear out, your laptop dies, or heaven forbid, you face an unexpected medical bill or job loss. Without cash tucked away, these emergencies turn into high-interest credit card debt that can take years to pay off. Your goal is to save 3 to 6 months' worth of your basic living expenses. Keep this money in a completely separate account so you aren't tempted to touch it for a weekend getaway. It's not there to make you rich. It's there to give you peace of mind. Rule number 3, there's a massive myth that you need to be rich to start investing. You don't. Because of a mathematical superpower called compound interest, time is actually much more valuable than the amount of money you start with. If you invest just $100 a month starting at age 20, assuming an average 8% market return, you'll have around $350,000 by the time you're 60. If you wait until age 30 to start that exact same $100 a month, you'll end up with less than half of that. Don't wait until you have a real job or more money. Start with $5 today. Rule number 4. Treat credit cards like a loaded weapon. They are incredibly useful tools, but if you don't know what you're doing, you will get hurt. A credit card is not an extension of your paycheck. It is a tool to build your credit score so you can buy a house or get a car loan later in life with low interest rates. The golden rule here is simple. Never buy something on a credit card that you cannot pay off with the cash in your checking account today. Pay the balance in full every single month, and you will never pay a penny in interest. Finally, rule number 5, beware of lifestyle creep. As you progress in your career, you're going to make more money. It's a great feeling. But the most dangerous trap you can fall into is immediately upgrading your life to match your new income. You get a raise, so you get a nicer apartment, a newer car, and fancier coffee. Suddenly, you're making $80,000 a year, but still feeling just as broke as when you made $40,000. When your income goes up, let your lifestyle stay the same for a few months, and use that extra cash to scale up your savings and investing first. Mastering money isn't about being a math genius. It's just about building consistent, boring habits that your future self will thank you for. If you want to dive deeper into exactly how to set up that automated budget we talked about in Rule 1, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because that is exactly what we are breaking down in the very next video. Drop a comment below, letting me know which of these 5 rules you need to work on the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.